So a power distribution network is just essentially a PDN is power distribution network. And that is simply the interconnect of devices, capacitors, used to decouple or bypass the power system and reduce noise, filters, inductors, resistors, and traces and planes.
When we ask the question, what is a power distribution network, it has to be answered in the context of what is the circuit we need to feed.
Normally people care about power distribution networks and locating or placing capacitors in your system, or decoupling capacitors, and being able to mitigate parasitic capacitance or inductance in your system.
Power distribution network essentially goes from the die of a device through the traces and possibly capacitance and planes inside the package, down through the balls, over to the printed circuit board where there will be bypass capacitors connected through a network back to a voltage regulator or some kind of voltage source module or even a battery.
Gradually, as the power and the speed of the chips kept going up, more and more additional elements had to be added. So today, a power distribution network can be quite complex.
In the case of modern day logic, we're talking switching ranges on device of 0.6, 0.7 volts. It doesn't take much noise to disrupt those transistors.
Large server boards can have thousands of bypass capacitors, can have dozens and dozens of independent power areas. Each of them have to be designed properly and have to be validated properly. And the total power within one chip keeps rising.
And then it gets really complicated.